Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Acura ILX. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 5-speed automatic transmission. All of the premium features expected of an Acura are offered, including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, heated door mirrors, and more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.